Hey, I'm Mike, and this is a Gen 5 LT1, and today we're going to put pistons and rods in it. Welcome back to the hangar. As you can see, we're alone.
Cause I'm all alone.
But I'm not sad about it. Gives us time to focus on this. Today we're going to be slapping in the pistons and getting this rotating assembly all bolted up. If you're new to the channel, to get you up to speed, my C7 Corvette last year was supposed to go to the drag strip, and there was something wrong with the tune, I think it was. Went into limp mode, I couldn't get to the drag strip, so ended up not drag racing. So the only logical thing to do after there's a problem with the tune, pull the motor and do upgrades. Because that's just how I roll. This is the C7 Corvette that Gen 5 LT1 is out of. And as you can tell, it's not looking so good. And this car has a mind of its own. At every single turn, it has given me an issue. That's why the motor's on its stand. Because it started with a bad tune, and now it's ended with the whole motor has to be rebuilt. No, the car's fine. It doesn't stress me out at all. We got a brand new set of rod bearings with an extra thou of clearance, so we'll have to run a thicker oil. But that will give us a little bit more squish room and get more oil in there. So as the horsepower numbers increase, we'll still have that layer of oil between the crank and the bearing. So let's get these bearings on these connecting rods here and throw the whole combination in. And we'll do all 8. Alright, now that all 8 pistons are in, all we got to do now is take these bolts back out, throw a little bit of assembly lube on the bottom of the heads and the threads,
That gigantic bottle of lube!
and then torque them down. These are ARP bolts that need to be torqued down to 45 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and do that. Stay tuned for the next episode when we're going to throw heads on this Gen 5 LT1 and a little bit of a surprise. A little hint, they're right here soaking in this here oil. Get it?
Thanks for watching today's episode.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
It's free. It's easy. All it takes is like that much effort.
And while you're doing that effort, hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date whenever we post a new episode. So, we'll see you on the next episode.
And as always, thanks for hiding out.